Welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Guess who's back? So as you can see behind, right where the gray lady was sitting, there is no car because the gray lady is 100% outside on its tires, ready to roll. So there she is. The gray lady is back. So everything is back running normal. Transmission shifts great. It's brand new. Can tell you what, the list of brand new stuff in this engine bay is pretty awesome. So you got a resealed engine, air filter, oil filter, battery. Engine's completely resealed. Timing is set correctly. All new fluids, oil, transmission, power steering, brakes are all completed up. Even still has windshield wiper fluid. AC works, heater works, tires are in great shape. Even though they're the little puny 195s, they are exactly what this car should have. So as you can see, I have started working on the bodywork for the vinyl wrap. And now I'm gonna get this thing, keep it so it can drive out, work on bodywork, and then go back inside when it's in storage. But the goal with this is to have it ready to go. Around the window is gonna be painted in the SEM charcoal. It will match the body trim, which is all original. We'll leave it on there and just refinish it. As you can see, down the hatch, I've been working on surface rust, just trying to clean it up, everything there. But it runs and drives so well. Oh, it feels so good. Have that thing fire up just with a turn of a key. So on the back, I also did new gas shocks. Check the pump, new fuel filter, everything in. I've only have one seat in there, that way I don't have to worry about taking too much out, cleaning it out. But I've got the seat, door panels sitting in here, all still in really good shape. I just need to clean up the map pocket there, get that cleaned up. But otherwise, man, look at this thing. All original beauty. Look at that. Hey, it's been a while since I've seen this thing outside. I tell you what, it fires up right with a turn of the key, set at 13 degrees before top dead center, which is what it's supposed to be. Tell you what, she's quiet. Compared to the V8 I have from the Wide Fox, she is definitely quiet. Beautiful little motor though. Can't wait to get this thing out on the road. Alright, so now with the plan of the gray lady is I'm going to leave it sitting on wheels and tires. That way I can easily just turn the key, start it up. I can back it outside on the days that I can do some body work, getting ready for the vinyl wrap and stuff. And I know, again, the vinyl wrap is not going to be for everybody, but eventually what I expect is that somebody will want to repaint the car, probably, whether they swap the engine out or anything else. They can go ahead, peel the vinyl off when they're ready, and the bodywork should be pretty close. I'm not going to say it's going to be 100% pristine because I'm not a bodywork guy, but I'll get it close enough that someone can take it, maybe do some refinements beyond that if they want to, and then should be able to shoot it immediately in a different color or whatever you want to do. Now, I don't know how long the bodywork's going to take me. Taking it in and out, honestly, is going to be dependent upon weather, really. So I really would like to do most of the sanding and everything else outside, just to kind of keep the dust down here in the garage. I learned that the hard way doing the Wide Fox when I did that. Sanding just gets everywhere. There's no easy way to say it other than it just flat gets everywhere. So rather than building kind of a enclosed booth for the car, I'll just take it outside, sand it outside under a canopy or something, keep the sun off me. And then when I'm done, take the canopy out of the way, roll the car back inside. And as you saw, the windows are already taped up. That's just to keep the windows in good condition from paint or anything else. And it just adds a level of difficulty trying to back and drive a car with the windows taped up so you can't see it. Now, I still have the offer out there for car for sale. If anybody's ready to take it as it is, I can easily put it back together, or put it together enough that you can put it on a trailer and take it home. So if anybody's interested, hit me up on that. I can definitely sell it now before doing the vinyl wrap or after the wrap. So that's it. Today is a great day. The gray lady is back. It is going to sit for a couple weeks before I get into the bodywork due to an event next weekend. Otherwise, Feels good. Feels good to see it back in action. But otherwise, we'll see you next time.